Hi guys, welcome to Dev Multiverse. Today we are going to demystify how dotnet manages memory using garbage collection. And to make it fun, we will explain it using a hotel housekeeping analogy. So garbage collection in dotnet it's like having a smart housekeeping staff in hotel. It automatically detects which objects in memory are no longer needed and cleans them up, freeing memory for new operations. Think of memory as a hotel. Each room stores your guest belongings, which are like objects in your code. When guest checks out, housekeeping comes in and resets the room. In this analogy, each object is a guest belongings in a hotel room. If the guest checks out, means your code is no longer using the object. The room becomes available for cleaning. But if someone is still using the room, the object is still referred. The housekeeping skips it. This is exactly how the .NET garbage collector works. It cleans only what's no longer needed. To optimize performance, .NET groups objects into three generations. Gen 0. There are short-term guests. The rooms are cleaned very frequently. Gen 1. Guests that stay a bit longer, cleaned less often. Gen 2. Long-term guests, think of permanent residents, cleaned only when really needed. The system helps .NET focus more on quickly disposing of short-lived objects. Some hotel rooms have do not disturb sign. The housekeeping skips them for now and comes back later. Similarly in .NET, some objects have finalizer method, a destructor. These are put in a queue and cleaned only after a special process runs. These objects are deleted in cleanup and should be avoided unless necessary. So dispose is like calling housekeeping directly, like I'm done and please clean the room now. Finalize is passive. The system finds out the room is empty and cleans it later. In code, always prefer dispose by iDisposable interface, especially when dealing with unmanaged resources like files or database connections. Use a using block to simplify this. The .NET garbage collector runs under specific condition. For example, when memory is low, when a generation becomes full, or when explicitly triggered using gc.collect. Though this is not recommended for most use cases. GC is smart. Its goal is to free up memory while minimizing performance impact. You want smooth garbage collection? Follow these tips. Minimize object allocations, reuse objects whenever possible, properly implement iDisposable, avoid unnecessary static references, use value types for lightweight data. Doing this helps GC do its job more efficiently. To summarize, .NET memory is like a hotel. Objects are just belongings. GC is your smart, efficient housekeeping crew that keeps your app clean and fast. If this helped clarify garbage collection for you, do not forget to like, subscribe, and drop your questions or next topic request in the comments below. See you in the next video, only in the Dev Multiverse. Thank you.